A hand draws a blue outlined brain. How much do you know about your brain? A man with dark hair, dark beard, and light shirt looks at the screen.
Hi, I'm Dr. Carlo Quintanilla, and I am a AAAS Science and Technology Policy Fellow at the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke. Thanks for taking the brain quiz. Our question is, what is the outer layer of the brain called? Is it A, cerebellum, B, corpus callosum, C, thalamus, or D, cerebral cortex? If you guessed D, cerebral cortex, you're right. The cerebral cortex, the outermost layer of the brain, is a thin layer of folded tissue that covers the cerebrum, the largest part of the brain responsible for many important functions such as conscious thought, movement, sensation, and memory. The cerebral cortex is divided into four main lobes: the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe.
A drawing of a brain with each of the lobes labeled.
Each of these lobes has specific functions. For example, the frontal lobe is responsible for planning, problem solving, and decision making, while the parietal lobe processes sensory information from the body, such as touch and temperature. The cerebral cortex is also responsible for higher order brain functions like language, abstract thinking, and perception. Finally, the cerebral cortex is incredibly adaptable and can change and reorganize in response to experience or injury. This ability is known as neuroplasticity and is responsible for our ability to learn and recover from brain damage.